Hi, hi. Where are you, Pute?
I am not home.
How old are you?
I am 4 years old.
You are 4 years old.
Yes,
You can read, yes?
yes, I can read.
Also, you can talk.
Yes, I can talk.
Did you eat?
No, I didn't read.
Why? You are not hungry?
No, I am not hungry.
Where do you live, Pute?
I live in Gayavala.
There was a monkey.
No, there was a lion.
The lion was cut in a tree.
No, the lion was sleeping under a big tree.
What was sleeping under a big tree?
The lion was sleeping under a big tree.
Right. Then a big mouse was playing around the lion, right?
No, a little mouse was playing around the lion.
The little mouse was reading a book.
No, no.
What happened, as you know?
Playing around the lion.
The little mouse was playing around the lion. Then Yuhasna came there.
No.
What happened?
Suddenly the lion woke up.
Who woke up?
The lion woke up.
What did you eat?
I didn't see. At the beach. Last Saturday, Tim and his friends went to the beach. They arrived early in the morning and saw the sun was shining brightly. First, they built a big sand castle near the water. Then, they went swimming and played with a beach ball.
ඒක තමයි මං සර් කිව්වේ මේ යානේ හැමදේම හැමතැනින්ම ඉස්සරහින් ඉන්නවා. ඉතින් ඒක දැන් මම අර ඒක තමයි කිව්වේ දැන් මේ පැත්තෙන් හැමදේම දිනු වෙනකොට එයාලගේ අනිත් වටේ දේවල් නිකම්ම කෙරෙනවා සර්. හැමදේම එයාලා ඉස්සරහට යන්න දඟලනවා. එයාලා ඉදිරියට යන එක සර් මෙතනින් ලබන අත්දැකීම එයාලා හැමදේම ගන්නවා. හැමදේ ඉස්සරහින්ම ඒක තියෙනවා දකින්නවා අපි සර්.